Caterpillars are vulnerable. They have small bodies, no hard shell for protection, move slowly, and cannot fly. Worse yet, their rich protein makes them an easy target. Despite everything, caterpillars found clever ways to stay alive. Some caterpillars mimic leaves or twigs to hide from predators. Some go bolder, painting fake eyes to look like snakes and scare predators away. Some caterpillars grow hair all over their bodies. It does not seem warm or strong, yet somehow it helps them survive. But how? Researchers once ran an experiment to find out. Here is how they did it. They prepared a plastic container. A caterpillar and its predator, Calosoma, were placed inside. Calosoma is a fierce caterpillar hunter. People even call it the caterpillar hunter. The researchers tested 6 types of caterpillars. 3 had no hair, 2 had hair, and 1 had its hair shaved off. The researchers measured the percentage of successful attacks by Calosoma on the caterpillars. All 3 hairless caterpillars were caught 100%, the hairy ones at 93% and 47%, and the shaved one at 96%. It was clear that hair helped defend against attacks. But why was there such a big difference between the 2 hairy caterpillars? The answer was in the hair length. One had hair about 2 millimeters long. The other had hair between 4 and 6 millimeters long. The caterpillar with longer hair survived much better. The beetle hunts with jaws about 2 millimeters long. If the hair is shorter than the jaws, the beetle can bite through. If the hair is longer, the beetle struggles to reach the body. There is another animal that uses hair for protection. It is the tarantula. Tarantulas use their hair to defend against ants. You might think ants are too small to threaten a tarantula, but these are no ordinary ants. They are army ants. Army ants are fierce hunters. They do not build homes. They are always marching forward. Millions of ants move together, overwhelming everything in their path. Even grasshoppers, wasps, scorpions, crabs, and larger animals often fall prey to them. But researchers observed something very interesting. They placed a tarantula in the path of army ants. The ants climbed onto the tarantula and tried to bite, but the tarantula's hair made it hard for the ants to get a grip. After several failed attempts, the ants lost interest and moved on. Once the ants were gone, the tarantula simply walked away unharmed. In fact, among hundreds of army ant prey records, only 2 cases involved tarantulas. Who would have thought that something as flimsy as thin hair could decide between life and death? That's what made it all the more fascinating.